Alright, so in the last lesson we finished the down part. Now we're gonna focus a little bit on creating here on the top part the fence that is gonna be separating this area. And also in the next lesson we're gonna learn how to do the stairs and more elements on the top part. But in this lesson we're gonna focus in creating the fence from the top section. So for this top section, we're gonna press Shift A and create a cube, move it up, and let's put it over here. I'll select this floor, edit mode, I press Shift S, cursor to selected. Now for the cube, I'll say origin to 3D cursor, and then again set origin, geometry to origin, move it up, and move it inside. Just a little bit to go like this. Alright, this is good. Now let's go to edit mode. Press 3. Select this left face with GX and move it all the way here. Now take this right one and then let's move it GX to match roughly this wall over here. This is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. Alright. Now let's move it back just a little pixel. So I press G Y and just a little move it back like this, because over here it was clipping and that's not good. Now it's perfect. Okay, and now we take the top part and move it a little down, something like this. Perfection. Now let's duplicate this one, Shift D, Z, move it up a little bit. Yes, something like this. And I want to resize this one as, and I don't want to resize it on the X axis, so I'll press Shift X to cancel the X resizing, and I resized on only on Z and Y. Let's say 0.5. Perfect. Now I will select these two objects, the top one and the bottom one, and I press Ctrl J like this. So now they are joined together. This is what I want. I will press right click, set origin to geometry, and press Shift S, cursor to selected, and the 3D cursor is gonna be here in the middle. Now let's create a cylinder. Let's resize it, but not on the Z axis. So I press Shift Z to cancel the Z resizing. I will make it pretty small. Now I resized on the Z axis to go inside here, up and down, move it up a little bit, like this. I still need over here. I will do this job in edit mode. And with face select, I will select that face, G, Z, and move it up. Perfect. Now I will move it here to the left, to the beginning. Let's say like this. So for this one, I will apply a modifier, an array, and over here I'll say for. No, not enough. Let's say I say 7. Yes, I think this is good. And I will increase this until it goes to the other side. Yes, but the only thing is that I want more here. 7.2. No, a little less. 7.1. 7.15. Yes, this is good. This is what I wanted. So I have now 24 bars. I will go over here and apply this array. So now all these are an object. I can go in edit mode and see them. So what I have to do now, I will want some of them to be thicker. And I will start with this one from the right, with this one over here. And I will press L to select all these objects. I am in edit mode. Alright? I am in edit mode. So I selected the first one. Now I will count 7 from here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the next one, I will select it again pressing L. Now I will count 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on this one I will press L. And with these 3 selected, I will resize them pressing S. But I don't want to resize it on the Z-axis. So to cancel the Z-axis, I press Shift Z. And now I resize them, but not like this. You see, like this is the difference. I need them individual origins. Now it's gonna be good. So again, S, Shift Z to cancel the Z axis and resize. But you see, like, I need to get closer. Let's get closer to this one. Because we need this one to not get out of this wood. That this is gonna be wood. Alright? So we need this bar not to get out of this wood. So I press again S, Shift Z, and resize it as much as I need, but not to get out of that space. Is this good? I feel it is good. So I have 3 bars more thick. And this is it. This is how you create the top fence. And here is gonna be the stairs to get up. Alright, so here I will select. Actually, I go in edit mode. I will select these 3 thick bars, pressing L on each of them. Now I will press Ctrl I to invert the selection. I'll go to the materials panel. I'll press new. I'll press assign. And to this I'll say fence bars small. And now I will press Ctrl I again to invert selection. I will press on this plus button, assign, new. I'll type here fence bars big. Perfect. Now go out of edit mode. Select this wood that is gonna be at the top and the bottom. Press new on the materials and call this one wood, fence wood. Because it's gonna be the same material up and down. Now we take these 2 objects, the bars and the wood. Press Shift J to join them. And this is it. Now we have all these materials that is gonna make the fence. I will rename this cube to fence and move it inside the blockout collection. Don't forget to save the file. And this is it. This is how you create the fence. In the next lesson, we're gonna do the stakes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!